Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how can you install fonts on Windows 10. Let's get started. So I am going to show you the very easy process by which you can do this. So the first step is you just have to open your browser. After opening your browser, you have to search here, Google Font, and then you have to click on Google Fonts. And simply click on the font name that you want to download. Here are some fonts. So like I am going to download this font, so I just have to click on it. And then you have to click on Get Font and then click on Download All. So now it is getting downloaded. So here is the zip file. You just have to open it. And next you have to click on this file and click on it. And this is your font. So what you need to do is just click on this install. And now it is installing in your computer. So now it is installed. So you just have to, if you want to get all of these variations of your font, then you can download this. The first we installed was TrueFont. Now it is the bold version of that font. You can download and install this one. You just have to open this file and click on install. Install it if you want to. Install the light version, then double click on it, and again click on install. So that is how you can download and install all types of fonts and install them into your PC. And yet that's it. I hope you might find this video helpful and informative. You can also download and install free fonts like this in your Windows 10 by a full and exact step that I have done, and I have known you step by step. Comment down below. This is all more issues, and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.